everybody, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining my art channel today. It's wonderful to have you here. I hope you enjoy this upcoming video. I'm going to do a small canvas today which has a yellow base. So I've been doing, the last painting that I did that I'll put a link in was a very pale pink base with some gorgeous pinks and oranges and this amazing gold. Anyway, I loved the colors, absolutely loved them, and couldn't believe how gorgeous this halo pink gold turned out. And I'm going to do another painting with that one today, but this is going to have a different base and a lovely soft baby yellow base with a nice blowout on it. So let's have some fun. Okay, so I was so excited by my last painting, my new colour, my new Jacquard Halo Pink Gold, Lumiere by Jacquard Halo Pink Gold, that I decided I wanted to do another painting. And so this is a combination of Naples yellow with a little bit of just a splash of this yellow, which was Azo Yellow Light. So I've popped that in to brighten it a bit, because I feel sometimes that the Naples yellow almost has a bit of a off-white look to it, and a lot of people don't like that, or cream, and sometimes people think that it's white that has yellowed, which it's not, but I decided to really make it a lovely pale pastel yellow. Yeah, so there's no mistaking that this is yellow. I'm just going to do a puddle, so it's titanium white. Then I shall do this stunning Pebeo orange yellow, quinacridone rose light. Then I will do the Azo Yellow Light, Venetian Rose, a mix-up of Venetian Rose and other colours, and this is the Jacquard Lumiere Pink Gold. Now I will pour around my puddle, I will pour some more of the pretty yellow and torch it. First of all, I'm going to blow the paint over. It's just beautiful, beautiful. Please excuse my poor son coughing in the background. He is very unwell, but he does not have COVID. Gorgeous, so pretty, so pretty. It's like a flower, just beautiful, beautiful pastels. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so this is the final painting. I think this will be the composition, but you never know, I might change my mind. I've just brought this over into complete natural light here. The sun is not shining in the window right now. It's just, I've missed the sun, but oh, there we go. You can see some of the gold there on that angle, just like that. The cells up the top here are gorgeous. This is very much a painting that reminds me of a sunset. Oh, look at that orange down in the corner there when it just glistens down in the corner. And the yellow is really nice. It's like this soft pastel lemon yellow colour. I'm very happy with that. Oh, there we go. There's some of the gold. I'm so excited by this new Jacquard paint. This is a real beautiful painting, and I'm so surprised by how much I love the yellow, and really surprised by how much I love the yellow. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. So this has been a wonderful painting to do. Very excited. I'm Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.